Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
No be say them no dey rush me. Shebi na
Woo! Very good, guys. Remember that my Facebook friend I told you about? A black girl with the sexy lips now.
Okay.
Yeah, she's few minutes away to the house.
Serious?
Yeah,
Hey!
black girl.
Serious? Bro. Na she be that oh.
Baby.
You got the trust man. Wait, you got the trust man.
Oh, babe, meet my friend Pedro.
Hi.
Oh, why?
And that other guy there, I normally call him Sky Blue.
No.
Hello.
Aww.
Babe, what do you care for?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you know what?
What?
Let's go upstairs.
Really? All right. It's okay.
Jesus.
No more love, wickedness.
You got the trust man. Man, how the
Blood of Jesus.
What's up, pick up the phone.
Jesus.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let.
are you running?
God have mercy upon us.